Hi, so welcome to this week's Monday Musings. Today I'm going to talk about this, my beautiful new gong that I have just received. It's something that's been in the pipeline for a couple of months, and it's been a sort of a wonderful progress of love and development between the person who's made this for me. The design that is on the front of the gong, which is quite hard to see on here, but it's a beautiful hummingbird which has a deep resonance for me. It connects me with the Moon Key rites, which is a shamanic practice. And as some of you may be able to see, I've got a beautiful hummingbird tattooed on my arm. So to now have the tattoo onto this piece of art, this beautiful gong that has been specially made for myself. So I'm lucky enough to be able to collect this over the last few days. I've got this wonderful stand which is hard for you to see because I can't get it all into the screen, that my husband has made for me. So everything about this gong has been made from the heart, has been made with loving intentions, and I am now going to demonstrate for you the sound that it creates and the resonance that you can feel. In person you will be able to experience it more, but I'm hoping that you will get some feel for how the gong can be played, how it can be played, and how you will be able to feel with it. So there's a few ways that we can play gongs. I am having a custom made gong mallet made for me, which is in the process of being done, but at the moment I've just got this particular mallet that I'm going to demonstrate with, which is just a normal mallet. But then I have also got some other instruments, some pieces that I will work with, and essentially these look like rubber balls. So they look like they've got rubber balls on the ends of a stick, which again we can play with the gong, which creates a different sound, and different sizes can create different textures in what you can feel and how they can resonate with you. So we'll just give a small demonstration of each so that you can just hear the difference and see the difference, and hopefully one day in person you'll be able to come and experience a sound bath and the joyous sound of this particular gong. So just enjoy. So that's the sound that you can hear with the sparkly green rubber ball, which is the smallest one that I do have that we're going to use on this gong. I've then got another slightly larger one, black one, which again, a different sound, a different tone. So just listen. And then the next one, as you can see, is more of an egg shaped, an oval shaped. So again, different colours, different sounds. I'm just going to play with the traditional mallet so that you can experience the sound again in a different way. So I'm hoping that you got some concept of how the gong comes across. Obviously in person it's very, very different, and you can feel the resonance right in the heart centre, right in different areas of your body, which can help on a vibrational level, which can help with healing physically, emotionally, mentally and spiritually. So my love of sound, I'm sure, does come across in many things that I do and how I feel about it. So I'm hoping that you've got some enjoyment, you've seen why I do get so excited, especially about this absolutely tremendous piece of art that I have now got the joy of being mine. So any questions, feel free to ask, and hopefully we'll see you next week for the next Monday Musings.